In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Lists. Whether you're organizing tasks for work or managing projects, knowing how to effectively access and use Microsoft Lists can make your life much easier. Microsoft Lists is a flexible app that helps you track information and organize work. So, let's dive in and walk through the entire process, step by step. To get started, you first need to have an active Microsoft 365 subscription. If you haven't subscribed yet, you'll need to do that before continuing. Once you're sure you have that, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 account. Having an active subscription ensures you have the necessary permissions to access Microsoft Lists, and logging in allows you to synchronize your work across different devices. Now, open your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type Microsoft Lists and hit Enter. This will bring up the search results, and you'll want to click on the official Microsoft Lists site. This ensures you're accessing the most up-to-date and secure version of the site. When you land on the Microsoft Lists homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you to the Sign In page where you can enter your credentials. If you've already set up your Microsoft 365 account on this browser, you might be automatically signed in. But if you're not automatically logged in, or if it's your first time, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft 365 email address. Input your email and proceed by entering your password. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any access issues. It's also a smart idea to check the Keep Me Signed In option if you're on a private device to save time in future logins. Once you're successfully logged in, you're greeted with the Microsoft Lists dashboard. From here, you have several options to choose from based on your needs. You can start by creating a new list. This feature is remarkably useful if you're setting up a fresh project or need to track new sets of data. Alternatively, you can update any of your lists that you've recently created or have been working on. This is especially handy if you're doing iterative projects or need to make changes as new information becomes available. Finally, you can share your lists with your team, class, or work department. Sharing is seamless within Microsoft Lists, as it integrates well within the Microsoft 365 suite of applications and allows for collaborative efforts. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing Microsoft Lists. We hope this makes your workflow smoother and more organized. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments about Microsoft Lists below.